Hmm?
Remember the pet show
Yeah, I do.
last year?
Yep.
That was a long time ago.
Mm-hmm.
Not this year. Friends.
Mm-hmm.
Two bushes.
Yep.
And houses. Why can't trees not moving?
I don't know.
Look, everybody's leaving.